Hey guys, here's another one that I wrote for you. This one is called To Taste Your Sound. Do you have any idea what's going on around you? What surrounds you out here all the way to your core? We are beings of light. Everything is energy, and we vibrate to the sound magnetically, electricity. So fill your heart with gratitude. What a miracle that you're here. Of all the paths and possibilities, your life has led you here. Thank God and Gaia that we're all here. I close my eyes while I eat my salad, thanking the greens and